Is your team constantly missing deadlines and you can't figure out what's going wrong? Bad developer management can burn through over $300 in lost productivity and missed chances. Let's dig into how unclear communication leads to total chaos. One big trap founders fall into is not communicating clearly. When expectations aren't laid out, misunderstandings arise that blow deadlines and rack up costs on rework. Take Plaid, for example. They faced a significant hiccup when their engineering team was misaligned, leading to a 2-week outage that lost them a key bank client. This wasn't just a minor setback. It cost them approximately $1.2 million in potential revenue. Founders often lean too much on basic project management tools, thinking they know what's up without really understanding the tech landscape. This can waste resources dramatically. I've seen teams waste upwards of 30 hours a week on issues that could have been clarified from the outset. For instance, a startup I consulted for was using a simple spreadsheet to track development tasks, leading to confusion and missed deadlines. Another company, a SaaS startup, spent $45 on custom software that didn't meet their needs due to poor communication. At .The, we see these blind spots all the time and help founders tackle them by implementing structured communication frameworks that keep everyone on the same page and aligned with the project goals. We also emphasize the importance of regular check-ins to catch misunderstandings early, which can save thousands in lost time and resources. Start by setting clear project goals that everyone can grasp. If your team doesn't know what they're aiming for, good luck getting anywhere. Keep checking in with your developers to see where they are and if they need help. Slack nailed this. They built a culture that's all about feedback, and it's a big reason they crushed it. They have quarterly reviews that focus on team alignment and goal adjustments, which has contributed to their $20 valuation. Managing your dev team means finding the right mix of oversight and support. Many founders I've talked to at .The, I struggle with these tech conversations and figuring out what developers actually need to create a productive vibe. For example, Airbnb invests in regular one-on-one check-ins, which has proven to enhance team morale and productivity significantly. By ensuring that developers feel heard and understood, companies like Notion have seen improvements in delivery timelines by as much as 25%. Additionally, companies like AWS have implemented robust feedback systems that allow teams to pivot quickly when challenges arise. Implementing regular feedback loops can help you adapt to challenges quickly and keep your projects on track. With these strategies in place, you can transform your development process and avoid costly pitfalls. It's time to stop sitting on your hands. If you want your startup to succeed, you need to get a grip on managing your developers. Don't assume everything will fall into place. Dig into the tech that powers your vision. For guidance on making smart decisions in this area, head to gotyourtech.ai. You'll find support that helps you make sense of the technical side, so your team is in sync and your project doesn't derail. Avoid mistakes that could sink your ship. Get the advice you need.